Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to hide likes tab on X. The good news is that you actually don't need to do anything at all because X already made likes private by default in 2024. So apparently no one can access your likes tab anymore since 2024. And when I say nobody, I mean literally nobody, even your followers cannot see that section in your profile. So it's only visible for you. But here is a small catch that a post that you like can still occasionally show up in your followers feed, which is located here at the top. Go to following section, and here some of your followers can see some kind of post with the note that this user liked this post, and someone can see that you liked this or that post. And if you want to avoid that, you should definitely try using bookmarks feature instead of likes. So go to specific post that you want to save and tap this bookmark icon below it, and at the top you should see message post added to your bookmarks. And to access your bookmarks, you should go to top left corner of the screen, and here find section with your bookmarks. And boom, this is the post that I have just saved. So it's 100% private and not accessible to anyone. So if you're not sure, then you should definitely try using this bookmarks section feature. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.